Hello everyone, today I have a review of another replica. This time it's a ProTech model 920 Godfather Auto. Total length is 23.5 centimeters, blade length is 10 centimeters. Blade thickness is 3.2 millimeters. According to the marking on the blade, the steel should be 154 cm, but I assume that in reality it is probably HCR 13 MOV, tempered between 58-59 HRC. Satin finish. The blade is spear point. The name and logo of the company on the blade, ProTech USA. On the other is the inscription 154 cm. The handle is made of light green aluminum, opening with a button, a pocket clip without any motif. In summary, interesting design, minimalist, but at the same time very aggressive. If I remember correctly, Clementine, the main character of the computer game The Walking Dead: The Final Season, had a Godfather model. ProTech has very nice knives, but unfortunately the prices are quite high. However, I don't think that originals and replicas conflict with each other on the market. On the contrary, replica can even encourage you to buy the original in the future. If someone wants to buy an original, they will save the money up for it for half a year or more and finally buy it. Okay, you can do it that way. There is nothing wrong with that, but there are those who don't want to spend a lot of money on a knife because they have other priorities, so they buy replicas. I have no comparison with the original, but there is really nothing to complain about. No sharp edges on the handle, perfect mechanics, the spring kicks nicely. That's all it is. Really, thanks for watching.